Your site's imagery can be the quickest way to showcase your professionalism. Because of this, it's important to ensure that your images look the best that they can. When uploading images, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, we recommend uploading images that are between 1500 and 2500 pixels wide. This way, Squarespace can automatically resize each image to be optimized for every screen size. There's a 20 megabyte limit for each image, but for best results, we recommend uploading images that are less than 500 kilobytes in size. Keep in mind that if you have many large images on a single page, this can slow down the loading time for that page. When exporting images from programs like Photoshop or other photo editing softwares, there are a few formatting options to consider. Squarespace only supports JPEG, GIF, or PNG image files at this time. Also, be sure to only use letters, numbers, underscores, and hyphens in file names, since special characters can cause unexpected issues. You should save images in an RGB color mode with an sRGB color profile. Images exported with a CMYK color profile won't render in most browsers because this setting is intended for printing. You don't have to worry about dots per inch or pixels per inch, since these resolution settings also refer to printing. Once your image is uploaded, you can use our built-in image editor to make last-minute changes to things like brightness, saturation, or aspect ratio. With Fluid Engine, you can now move, layer, and resize the image blocks and other blocks in countless ways, giving you the tools to add depth to your site. If you're looking to add more professional imagery to your site, you can use our integration with Unsplash or Getty Images to browse thousands of professional stock images for use on your website. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.